Next, you'll want to run each of your sensors wires all the way up to your controller. If necessary, you can extend these wires. Simply use an equivalent gauge wire. Most of the installs I've done, I've simply used network cable. It's only carrying 5 volts, so it does not need to be something very heavy gauge. There are 2 types of Hall effect sensors. One is a normally closed and the other is a normally open. They look identical, but you'll notice that there's a tag on each of them, and right here at the bottom it'll tell you NC for normally closed or NO for normally open. The normally closed are for your backups, so the very top floor backup will be at the top and the first floor backup will be at the bottom. And then the normally open sensors are for each individual floor. So this would be floor 1, optional middle floor, and floor 2. If you're not using the middle floor, then you'll just have the top floor and your bottom floor.